We're doing a 9-week course of GMAW, MIG welding, as most people know it as. So it's actually a 6-credit course. They will be learning a GMAW, MIG welding, short circuit, which is kind of your most common weld locally. It's a little bit different in some of the factory work, but they will be doing that. They will be learning forming, some fabrication. We also do a blueprint class, so they'll be learning different blueprints, different meanings of all that good stuff, and safety and setup. So they'll know how to come in, set up a welder, all the different tools, and know how to run them safely.
What drew me to this summer program was the opportunity to better myself, learn new skills, create a better life for me and my daughter. Obviously, welding is a very important career, and it gives you lots of opportunity, to make more money and to just overall make yourself better.
This group here is a wide variety, anywhere from never touched a welder before. I have some students that have welded already, so have some background in it, have some knowledge, but they wanted to come to kind of further that knowledge and gain in their experience for their profession of welding.
Before I was doing this, I was in hardwood processing at a sawmill, and I saw this course, and I'd always been kind of interested in welding, and I figured I'd better take it as long as it's free.
Most of them, I do believe, they want to continue and get a welding job as a career. I do know some of them that have came just because they heard about welding and they wanted to see what it was about. I know I have one student that's going to school at Southwest Tech next year for auto body, so it's something that he can kind of know and use in the auto body industry a little bit. I have another student that is doing an engineer program out of UWP, so kind of a different shift for her, but it's neat that she's just wants to broaden her horizons and know some different trades. So it's all across the board. We've got some that want to be welders, some that don't, but just want to know how to do it.